Okay. So good afternoon, all of you. Okay. So last time we solved some example of normal form. Okay. So everyone clear the point normal form? Still, if you have any doubt about this normal form, I think we are given some example. How many example we are given, or how many example you are solved, and for homework total how many example in normal form? How many?
12.
12 example. Okay, okay. आणि आपण 6 एक्झाम्पल परत दिलते तुम्हाला होमवर्कला मी ते सगळे
हो.
मला सांगताय का?
सर
हा सर.
टोटल किती झालते टोटल एकूण सगळे
12.
सगळे टोटल 12 झालते का?
Yes, sir.
हा सर.
ओके.
येस सर
We need more practice, or we stop for normal form?
Stop.
Hello? Please give me नॉर्मल फॉर्म. आता पुढचा टॉपिक चालू करायचा की बास करायचं? हॅलो. ओके ओके. ओके, मी तुम्हाला 12 एक्झाम्पल दिलेत नॉर्मल फॉर्मचे. नॉर्मल फॉर्म म्हणजे काय? वी आर कन्वर्टेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ व्हॉट? द फर्स्ट element we are make limit as 1, below that element we make 0, then corresponding element we make 0, then next we make as 1, corresponding element we make 0, then corresponding make 0, continue this step. This is nothing but your normal form. Okay, this is nothing but your normal form as we see this. Okay, still if you are in doubt, कोणाला डाउट आहे का? प्लीज आस्क मी, अदर वी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. नो प्रॉब्लेम. Okay, so next part we write down. What is the minor of matrix? What is the minor of matrix? It is the determinant of a square submatrix. Square submatrix of matrix. Okay. When you define next definition, that is a cofactor of matrix. What is the cofactor of matrix? What is the cofactor of matrix? Yes. What is the cofactor of matrix?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello. -1 raised to I plus j into minor of ij.
Okay. Okay. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. P a matrix, then cofactor are obtained by using this formula. So cofactor are obtained by using this formula. Cij is equal to cofactor of Aij is equal to -1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij. Okay. Suppose we have calculated that cofactor of C23. What is the cofactor of C23? Is cofactor of A23. That is equal to what? -1 raised to 2 plus 3 into minor of A23. What is minor of A23? A23 ची minor काय असणार आहे? A11,
232
A12, A31, A32. This is the minor of A23. तो रो आणि तो कॉलम डिलीट करायचा राहिलेला म्हणजे काय असणार त्याचं कोफॅक्टर असणार आहे. ओके, सो दिस इज द -1 raised to 2 plus 3 is -1 into this A11, A12, A31, A32. So in this way we will find all minor. In this way we will find all minor. Okay, in this way we will find all minor. Have you clear? Have you clear all cofactor? Have you clear?
yes sir
Yes. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just we see depending on this minor and cofactor, what do you find? Depending upon this minor cofactor, what do you find? Depending
Adjoint of
upon,
matrix.
huh?
Adjoint
Very
of
good.
matrix.
Depending on this minor cofactor, we will find adjoint of matrix. Depending upon this minor cofactor and adjoint, what do you find?
Inverse.
Very
Inverse.
good. Inverse. Very good. For inverse, what do you need? For inverse, what is the basic thing or what is basic condition for finding inverse?
Matrix is a
Determinant not equal to 0.
non-singular.
Very good. Matrix must be
not equal to 0
very good.
No,
Very good.
matter
Matrix-
be a non-singular matrix.
Okay, very good. Matrix must be non-singular. Okay, done. Second झाले हे.
Yes.
Or just take the screenshot. Just take the screenshot. Or we wait for some minute for your writing.
हॅलो सर.
हा बोला.
हा सर, ते तुम्ही पीडीएफ पाठवायला सांगितलेलं ते 15 तारखेपर्यंतचे पाठवायचे.
शनिवार पर्यंत पडायला होईल ना. ओके. किरकल नंबर किती आहे खंडराय? नंबर किती तुमचा? हा, हॅलो किरकल. नंबर किती किरकल? गोळवे उशिरा का जॉईन झाला? किती वाजले आता गोळवे? प्रथमेश घोंगडे उशिरा का जॉईन झाले? अरे केरकल नंबर किती? केरकल आवाज येतोय का तुला? प्रथमेश घोंगडे नंबर किती तुमचा? सुदर्शन गायकवाड टाकायला लावले का तुम्हाला अटेंडन्स मी? का टाकतात काय माहिती अटेंडन्स? अरे प्रथमेश घोंगडे नंबर किती तुमचा? सीट नंबर? Okay, so we start. So depending on this, we are defined that adjoint of matrix. So what is the adjoint of matrix? Yes. Is the transpose of
Cofactor matrix.
transpose of cofactor matrix. And depending of this adjoint, we are defined inverse of matrix. So for inverse, if determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse is given by A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. Okay, clear this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we start with the next topic. So very important topic we will start. System of linear algebraic equation. Add on. Next topic. System of linear algebraic equation. System of linear algebraic equation. Yes. So anybody, what is equation? What is equation? Yes. What is equation? What is equation? What is equation?
Expression that defines equality between two quantities.
Very good, Atharva. Very good. Any another? Any another one? Yes, very good. दुसरं कोणाला आणखी काय ऍड करायचंय का? दुसऱ्याला कोणाला ऍड करायचं का याच्यामध्ये? Very good. What is equation? Yes. Anyone? What is the equation? Yes, fastly. अरे बोलत नाही आज. झोप आली, कंटाळा आलाय का? हॅलो, बोर वाटते का लेक्चर? हॅलो, लेक्चर बोर वाटते का?
नाही
नाही नाही
बोलत बोलत का नाही? हा टॉपिक नवीन नाहीये हे सांगतो तुम्हाला. हा बोला.
First statement that two equal quantity.
Equal quantity. Okay, okay. What is Laute? What is the equation, Laute?
The process of equating one thing with another.
Very good. So equation is nothing but is not actually two mathematical expressions, Rahul. Equation is nothing but any two things, any two quantity we compare with itself, or any two quantity we bifurcate with equal sign, that make a equation. कुठल्याही दोन गोष्टी घ्या, त्या दोन्ही गोष्टी जर तुम्ही बायफर्केट केल्या इक्वल टू साइननी, त्याला इक्वेशन असं म्हणतात. समीकरण मीन्स राम इक्वल टू श्याम, वन टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशन. आर इक्वल टू एस. ओके. Then true equal to false, that is one type of equation. In terms of, in our mathematical term, we write down this equal to x plus y equal to 2. X plus y equal to 2. That is the equation. Okay. So what is algebraic equation? Forget this algebraic means. Algebraic means what? What is algebraic? What is algebraic? Yes. Algebraic. Akshay, algebraic.
The equation in form addition, subtraction,
Very good.
division,
In terms of
multiplication.
algebra, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That is algebraic. Okay. With 3x plus 4y equal to 2. This is one type of algebraic equation. Now, what is the linear? Now, what is the linear?
The variable is used.
What Laute?
Variable used.
No. Akshay, please mute yourself. What about
Coordinate system.
huh?
Coordinate system.
No, it is not linear. Okay, what about other?
Just linear or linear equation.
Just a linear.
Linear means straight line.
Okay, what is the linear equation now?
Linear equation whose equation power is 1.
Very good, Aditya. Whose equation power is 1. Linear means in in equation, linear term is having degree, having power, having order is 1. Now, what is the system? Now, what is system?
Two or more linear equations come together to form system.
Very good, Ritesh. 2 or more. System means more than one people. We talk about in general. More than one thing, more than one people we are collecting in similar platform, collecting in same bench. Okay, that is form a system. That is form a system. कधी ऐकलं की एका माणसाची सिस्टीम होती तयार? कधी ऐकलंय का? नाही ना?
No, sir.
एकापेक्षा जास्त माणूस ज्या ठिकाणी असतं, एकापेक्षा जास्त लोक असतात, त्या ठिकाणी आपण सिस्टीम असे म्हणतो. कसं पण आता तुम्ही जर कुठे जर असाल, तुम्ही काय म्हणतात, नाही रे ती सिस्टीमच भंगार त्यांची, नाही ते तहसील कचेरी सिस्टीमच भंगार आहे, नाही ते स्टाफची सिस्टीमच भंगार आहे, असं काहीतरी म्हणत होता तुम्ही, सिस्टीम म्हणत होता तुम्ही फक्त. दॅट इज अ सिस्टीम. सो वी हॅव सी वन बाय वन डेफिनेशन ना. प्रत्येकाचं टॉपिक तुम्हाला कळाला, सिस्टम ऑफ लिनियर अल्जेब्रा. सो वी आर कलेक्टिंग ऑल दिस इन वन प्लॅटफॉर्म, system of linear algebra equation. So all of you get that what is the equation, what is the linear algebra equation, what is the system. So write on the first definition, that is the linear equation. So linear equation, an expression of the form a1x1 plus a2x2, or better we can write on below, a1x1 plus a2x2 plus so on, anxn equal to b, anx equal to b, where this ai and b are constant and xi are variable. So it's called linear equation. It's called linear equation. It's called linear equation. Okay. So from this linear equation, we will define the linear system. So what is the linear system? A finite set of a linear equation is called a finite set of linear equation. It's called a system of linear equation, or just we say that it is a linear system. It is a linear system. Okay. the linear system. Okay. Got it? Now from this linear system, what is the solution? What is the solution? What is solution of that linear equation? What is solution of that linear equation? What is solution of that linear equation? What is the solution of that linear equation?
Value of the variable that satisfies the equality of the expression is
Not
called
only
a
the
solution.
equality, or we say that just the equation. Okay. The value of expression or value of variable, better word, value of variable that satisfy the given expression or given equation, that value is called as solution of that linear system. Okay, that value is called as solution of that linear system. In general, a solution. Okay. So as you know this, okay, as you know this linear equation, linear system, we move toward the next definition is consistent. But next definition is, you will see that consistent. So what is the consistent? What is the consistent? When you say that the given system is consistent or not? When you say that the given system is consistent or not? Yes.
The zero.
Okay. See here. Consistent म्हणजे काय की असं सिस्टीम, असं इक्वेशन की त्याला सोल्युशन एक्झिस्ट आहे. कन्सिस्टंट म्हणजे काय? असं सिस्टीम किंवा असे इक्वेशन त्याला काय एक्झिस्ट आहे? सोल्युशन एक्झिस्ट आहे. ओके. मग मला सांगा एखाद्या इक्वेशनला किंवा एखाद्या सिस्टीमला सोल्युशन किती प्रकारचे असतात?
Infinite.
Very good. One infinite. Second,
Unique.
unique. Very good. Laute. What about other people?
Logical.
Logical. No. Other people are just listening. Participate for debating. Mega, Khushi, Dipti, Tuja, Vaishnavi, Rutuja, Rina, Sakshi, Abhishek, Kenny.
No solution.
Huh?
No solution.
Hey, no solution is over. No problem.
No solution.
Oh yes, no solution is over. First, somebody says that unique solution. Second says that no solution. Third one says that
Infinite.
very good.
Infinite.
Very good. Like, it is infinite solution. So three type of solution: unique, no, and infinite. Unique, no, and infinite. These three type of solution will exist. These three types of solution will exist. Okay. So if solution exists unique, power kami काय सांगतोय? If solution exists unique, madam इथे बसा. If solution exists unique and solution exists infinite, एक number. Solution exists infinite, then system is consistent. काय असते? Consistent. आणि सिस्टमला जर नो सोल्युशन असेल तर त्या सिस्टमला काय म्हणतात? इनकन्सिस्टंट. त्या सोल्युशनला काय म्हणतात? इनकन्सिस्टंट. आलं लक्षात? हॅलो, so write down the consistent definition. Consistent definition: a linear system is said to be consistent if it possesses at least one solution. If it possesses at least one solution. Okay, if it possesses at least one solution, either it is a no solution, infinite solution. Okay, either it is unique solution or infinitely solution. दोन्ही पैकी काहीतरी असणे. At least one solution. एक तरी solution त्या सिस्टमला exist असलं पाहिजे. Okay, so this is nothing but your a linear system is said to be consistent if it possesses at least one solution. आणि त्याचं पुढचं पार्ट आहे a linear system is said to be USB काढून परत लावा. is said to be inconsistent if it possesses no solution. If it possesses no solution. If it possesses no solution. Okay, clear? These are the two solutions. One is what? Consistent, and second is what? Inconsistent. So what is the consistent? Consistent means what? MTech 2018. Consistent means what? A linear system is said to be consistent if it possesses at least one solution. If it possesses at least one solution. A linear system is said to be inconsistent if it possesses no solution. When you have one solution, वाटलं तुम्ही bracket करू शकतात. One solution ला bracket काय करणार? The bracket is in the like this, unique or infinite. Unique or infinite. Okay, this is a linear system. मी अटेंडन्स टाकलेली प्रत्येक ऑप्शन नंबर टाकलेले आहे चॅट बॉक्स वरती, प्रत्येकाला भेटले असेल. तुमचा नंबर चेक करा त्यामध्ये आहे का. सगळं स्मॉल मध्ये. येस, क्लिअर इट. Still, if you have any doubt about this system, linear equation, and all these things, please ask me.